I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to use the Ghost 2 Immobiliser. Now this vehicle in particular has a manual gearbox and has a normal bladed key, so it's not push to start. So let me demonstrate this to you. Now firstly, you just open the door, get into the vehicle as you normally would do. You do not press any of the pedals. So secondly, what you need to do is turn the ignition on, so the ignition is completely on. And then thirdly, you need to enter your code. Now the actual button pushes, give about half a second delay between each pushes, so do not do it too quickly, do not do it too fast either. So let me do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we do, we'll wait for the 2 flashes. And now we've got the 2 flashes. Fifthly, I could now put my foot on the clutch and then start it up. But just remember, wait for the 2 flashes before you start the vehicle up, because if you do not wait for the 2 flashes, you can potentially put an error, and what you'd end up having is an ECU management light on that will come up. It's not a big deal, because next time you switch it off and actually do it properly, it will turn it off. You won't do it all the time, but you've got the risk of it happening. So it's always best to wait for the 2 flashes before you actually start the vehicle up. And there you have it. Just a quick demo in how to use the Ghost 2 Immobiliser.